Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're living in New York City and recently lost your job, filing for unemployment insurance might feel intimidating, but I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to do and what to prepare. First things first, head over to ny.gov. Once you're there, use the search bar and type unemployment. From the results, click on unemployment assistance. This takes you to the official page where you can start your application. Right at the top, you'll see an apply button. Before you click it, make sure you have all the required documents ready. Here's what you'll need: your social security number, a driver's license, state issued ID or alien registration number, your mailing address, zip code, and phone number, a list of employers from the past 18 months, employer details from your W-2, your bank account, and routing number if you want direct deposit. Before applying, it's also important to check if you're eligible. On that same page, there's a section that explains the requirements. To qualify, you must have worked and earned enough wages in covered employment in New York State. Employers pay into the program, so only certain jobs count toward eligibility. If you're unsure how much you might receive, the site also offers a benefit calculator to estimate your weekly payments. There's a section explaining payment options, including direct deposit and debit card. Now, when you're ready to apply, the fastest and easiest way is online. You'll need to sign in or create a ny.gov ID and follow the prompts to file your claim. The state recommends applying between 7:30 a.m. and 7:30 p.m. for the smoothest experience. If you prefer not to apply online, there's also a telephone option. The page lists the hotline number, the best times to call, and a separate number if you're hearing impaired. After you've submitted your application, you'll find information on what happens next, like how to certify weekly and what to expect if you're approved. And that's the full picture. Filing for unemployment in NYC is completely doable when you've got everything ready and know where to click. If this breakdown helped you feel more confident about the process, go ahead and hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.